Hey guys, let's see how to disable the iPhone voice memo location for naming the files. Basically here on my voice memo, when I record something and I stop recording, it's just going to record my location, right? So if I don't want that, I just need to disable this feature, right? So to do this, I just need to come here to the settings. And from here, I just need to come down until I find privacy and security. There we go. Then just get into the location services. And here, find the app that has the location enabled. In this case, it's the voice memo, right? There we go, voice memos. And here I just need to change from while using the app to never. Then when I come back to the app here, and I'm going to record again, I see that I have one recording here with my location, and then I just start recording again. And now it's going to change the name for new recording. Okay, and if I do it again, it's going to record the new one with the new recording 2, and later new recording 3, and so on. So that's basically the way you can disable the address naming for the voice recording on your iPhone. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give your thumbs up, and I see you in the next one.